Did you know that the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, one of the holiest places in Christianity, is still holding secrets about Jesus' burial and resurrection? What does archaeology reveal about this sacred site, and how does it match the biblical accounts? Let's dive into this fascinating journey of faith and discovery. The Church of the Holy Sepulchre is one of the oldest Christian sites in the world. It has been a place of pilgrimage for Christians for centuries. According to tradition, the church stands over the locations of Jesus' crucifixion, burial, and resurrection. But how do we know that this is the correct site? The church was built in the 4th century by Emperor Constantine, but the story of this site goes back much further. In the Gospels, we learn that after Jesus was crucified, his body was taken down and placed in a tomb. In Matthew 27:59-60, it says, Joseph took the body, wrapped it in a clean linen cloth, and placed it in his own new tomb that he had cut out of the rock. This tomb was said to be located near the site of Jesus' crucifixion. This tomb, described in the Gospels, is traditionally believed to be the one inside the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. Archaeological studies of the area have shown that the location has all the right features of a tomb from the time of Jesus. The tomb itself is carved into the rock, just as the Bible describes, and it is located within a garden area also mentioned in the Gospels. In the 19th and 20th centuries, archaeologists have studied the area surrounding the church. They found evidence of ancient tombs in the vicinity, confirming that the area was once a burial site. Some of these tombs date back to the time of Jesus, supporting the claim that this was indeed the location of his burial. Inside the Church of the Holy Sepulchre, the tomb is housed in a small structure called the edicule. Over the centuries, the edicule has undergone many renovations, but the tomb remains a place of reverence and pilgrimage. In 2016, a team of scientists and archaeologists were given permission to examine the tomb. Their research revealed that the tomb structure and the surrounding area closely match the descriptions of Jesus' burial place from early Christian writings. The team discovered that the original limestone surface of the tomb had been covered by marble. They also found evidence that the area had been used as a tomb for centuries before the church was built. These findings suggest that the location was considered sacred from an early time, even before the church was constructed. The significance of the Church of the Holy Sepulchre goes beyond its archaeological importance. For Christians, it is a symbol of hope and resurrection. The site where Jesus was buried is also the site of his resurrection. In Matthew 28:5-6, it says, The angel said to the women, Do not be afraid, for I know that you are looking for Jesus who was crucified. He is not here. He has risen, just as he said. This moment of resurrection is at the heart of the Christian faith. Archaeology helps us confirm the location of this sacred site. But the true significance of the Church of the Holy Sepulchre goes beyond what we can see with our eyes. It is a place where millions of Christians come to remember Jesus' death and celebrate his resurrection. The discoveries made here help us better understand the history and context of these events, which are central to the Christian faith. The Church of the Holy Sepulchre stands as a powerful reminder of God's love and the hope of eternal life through Jesus Christ. While archaeology can give us valuable insights into the past, the message of the resurrection is timeless and life-changing for all who believe. Thank you for joining us on this journey to the Church of the Holy Sepulchre. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Let us know your thoughts on the archaeological findings at this sacred site and what it means to you. Until next time, remember that the resurrection of Jesus is not just a historical event. It is the foundation of the Christian faith.